So if you want to get aft and get on top of those pods, you're going to go through the aft seat in the aft deck in the cockpit, down this ladder right here, and underneath them steps right there, as you can see, are all the pods. Once again, I'm emphasizing that these have been completely overhauled and receipts are available.